Okay, I want you to imagine something for a moment. You're looking at a blueprint for a machine.
A really complex one.
And here's the kicker. Every single one of those parts needs to be physically connected to the others. So for, say, 30,000 components, you're looking at what? 50,000 individual connections?
Or more. And every single one of those connections is a place where the whole thing can fail.
A potential point of failure. It was a statistical death sentence?
For anything really complex, yes.
Yeah.
It was the ultimate bottleneck holding back the digital age.
Sure.
They realized that a transistor, fundamentally, isn't a detail you place on top of a material. It's a structure you create inside the semiconductor material itself, inside the silicon. A perfect analogy. You stop building and you start printing. You print an entire city of electronics all at once using light and chemistry. And suddenly, all those failure-prone connections, they're just gone.
Watch the full episode in the Dialogues with Science playlist.